Supabase goes hand in hand with industry-leading AI tools, enabling a whole new generation of builders to create anything they can imagine. Today, we're launching the official Supabase MCP Server to make building full-stack applications with AI easier than ever. Tools like Lovable, Bolt, and V0 allow you to generate beautiful UIs using a single text prompt. And with their first-party integrations with Supabase, you can spin up a dedicated project to handle all of those back-endy bits like hosting a database, auth, serverless edge functions, file storage, and real-time subscriptions. For editors like Cursor and Windsurf, we've published a set of AI rules to help guide your AI model of choice into using Supabase the right way, generating high-quality code, and avoiding common pitfalls. Today, we're launching the official Supabase MCP Server. MCP allows you to connect your favorite AI-powered IDE, like Cursor or Windsurf, directly to Supabase. This means you never have to leave your IDE, even to interact with your Supabase project. You can design tables, populate them with example seed data, and write complex RLS policies, all while having a chat with your AI agent. As you build out your app, your editor will now understand the full context of your database, so your tables, columns, and relationships, so your AI agent has everything it needs to write accurate, performant, and secure code. In the future, we'll add even more Supabase-specific functionality, like creating and deploying edge functions or uploading files to your storage buckets directly from your text prompt. We are super excited about the tight integration between Supabase and this new generation of AI tools, and we can't wait to see what you build.